Everybody, this is Gerald with Welding Classroom. I was going to kind of go over the Welding Classroom Moodle site. If you have a username and a password, you'll just log in. Once you get logged in, you should see the courses that you're enrolled in. The only one that I have complete right now is this Welding Inspection Resources Practice Questions course. So go ahead and click on it. That should be the one you're enrolled in. The top section is Introductions and Getting Started. You've got a video there. You can kind of listen to me run my mouse some more. There's a class announcements forum. This is a forum that I can only post to. You should get notified, but it has a couple of topics in it. Take a look at it. You should be getting notifications for it when I add something to it. If not, let me know. Then there's just a general inspection, welding related questions, discussions. Okay, that's where if you have some topics related to welding that you want to ask a question about or discuss with somebody, go ahead and post them there. The button right there says add a new discussion topic. Click it, you'll be able to add a discussion. This Thoughts About the Site for August is just a feedback form where you can give me some feedback about what you think if you've looked around. No need to fill it out if you haven't really looked around anything yet. Then this Some Welding Trivia is what's called a Q&A forum. That's where I can post a question and you can answer it. You can't see the other answers until you've already posted an answer yourself. Typically it's about a 15-minute delay after you post your answer before you can see the other answers that other people have posted. So the introductory information, there's a page with welcome, just talking about the site a little bit. There's an Introduce Yourself forum. I'd like for everybody to introduce yourselves. You can change your profile where your name is different if you don't want to have that information on there, but it'd be good to see some of your welding related history, information, experience, that kind of stuff. There's a course glossary. With the glossary, if there's a glossary term entered in there, and I have it turned on that specific object, whenever you see a highlighted term such as welding, you'll notice that it pops up course glossary weld. I can click on that. There's the glossary term. Click OK and close it. And here's another one for CWI, Certified Welding Inspector. PowerPoint, what is a welding inspector? This is a downloadable file. Whenever you see this little symbol here, that indicates an external link going somewhere else on the internet. If it opens up in your same browser window, to get back to the site, just hit the back button. All the topics can be collapsed by these little arrows that are right here. The quizzes are the main part of this specific course. There's an About the Quizzes page you can read. These are not in any specific order. However, there are some that you cannot take unless you have completed a specific activity, like the general inspection related questions discussion is marked complete. The way that it gets marked complete is for you to post a discussion or reply. But there's quite a few different quizzes. Altogether, these are different mixtures of 300 plus questions. The good thing about some of the questions is, of course, they have feedback on them. So when you answer a question and you select the wrong answer, there may be something in that wrong answer that will help you learn what you needed to. The next part is this AWS Book of Specifications Part B help. Got some sample WPSs, sample PQRs, links to a couple of videos that I've made for the AWS Book of Specifications. Hope to get a few more of those made. Here's a topic for welding related math. And this is just an outline of why some math reasons would be important. Okay. Nothing spectacular. But with any of the subjects that are on here that are related to welding inspection, you can always ask a question about them. Whether there's materials on here or not, feel free to ask a question. Visual inspection information. There's something for using the welding gauges from Gal Gauge. Mechanical testing properties of metals. Some pretty good videos in here from TWI and some other groups. A few just discussions or links, different information. So there's a good bit of information here. This is not a complete course where you start at the beginning and you finish on the end. This is intended as a resource that someone that's studying for the CWI exam or studying to be a better welding inspector has an opportunity to ask questions to other people that have the same interests, practice answering some quiz questions, discuss topics related to welding, that kind of thing. I hope to add some more activities to it that will involve some more interaction, add some quizzes. If you're interested in generating your own quiz questions, let me know. I can give you that option. Up here in the top right, you see the little icon right here. That's your messages. Your profile is right here. Click on your profile if you want to change it. You can edit your profile. You can change your first name, your last name. You can change your email address. Change whether your email address is visible or not. Put in some description. Put in a picture. Interests can be useful. If you're going to network with some other people, it might be good to know any common other interests that you have. You can look at your browser sessions when you logged in. You can look at your grades. It'll show you the grades that were on specific quizzes or other assignments that you've taken care of and done. The home button brings you back to the main site. You can modify this page if you like. Don't worry about tearing nothing up on the website or doing anything wrong. There's nothing we can't recover from. It's not all that serious. If you do, there may be a setting that I have that I need to change, that kind of stuff. But don't be hesitant to navigate around, click on stuff, see what you can do, that kind of stuff. There's some things like learning plans that I have not developed. Feel free, like I said, to contact me if you've got any questions. I'm looking to generate some revenue from this, so if you're interested, we'll make arrangements for payment. I'm thinking, probably $25 for 6 months to a year of access. More likely I'll forget to take you off after a year. That's just the way that it is. If you register for the site and you pay me money and you log in and you decide you don't like it within the first 2 days, let me know and I'll refund the money minus whatever fees there are for taking care of that refund. If you want to check it out a little bit first, I can give you a fake account and you can check it out and log in once or twice and be done with it. Anyway, if you got any questions, feel free to send me a text message, 423-914-1481, and just let me know that you're interested in talking about the Welding Classroom site. Have a good day. Bye.